This brand offers a wide variety of models that can be purchased directly from their website, which includes bundles with their other home cleaning solutions. The brand features units with an adjustable nightlight, 3 stages of air filtration, and a pretty good guarantee from a trusted brand in home cleaning equipment. The MYair 280 Max purifiers are Wi-Fi enabled to be controlled through the Bissell Connect app, and they feature their Circulate system, which controls the 5-speed fan and provides real-time air quality readings. They have a focus flow tabletop where the unit can be used as an end table so that it blends into the home decor. It has a 280 square feet coverage area, a 180 CADR delivery rating, and a quiet 27 decibel noise rating. The MYair Hub model has a built-in USB charging port with a 3-speed fan, a 102 square feet coverage area, and a 72 CFM delivery. The MYair Pro model is available in either white or black and has a 79 CFM delivery rate with a 110 square feet coverage area.